Kita Kabasan. To the hot man, Cordelia. Oops. Foul by number 29. Number 28, Boss Roy. Boss Roy, that is your second personal foul. Second team foul, Whitey. Shot clock 10. Tumabano, 4-3, no good. Rebound JV. JV tumawas. 2-2 break. Tumawas up. Foul called by Gino. Gino, third personal foul. Third team foul. Duty. Substitution red. Substitution. Out, in, out. 5 minutos, 58 segundos. Tumawas. Good for 2 by Makan. A pressure defense by Beauty. Timeout! Timeout! Whitey. Ang score, 50-39. 11-point lead by Whitey.